Hello friends, today we're going to be making vegan cornbread and ice cream along with this amazing vegan banana pudding for a special dessert edition of OTK for Valentine's Day. Hello and welcome back to our Twisted Kitchen. I have a guest here today who is generously letting me use his kitchen, so thanks first of all to Patrick Purpose.
What's going on, guys? Patrick Purpose Training here, and I'm excited to be able to be cooking today with Jay. I've offered him my kitchen, so I'm excited, a little scared, but we're gonna see what happens.
We're making dessert today, so it's actually soul food dessert, so it's even better than regular dessert. Hearty, it's comfort food, I don't know, it just fills the gaps of your heart. So I'm excited to get started. We actually started making the banana pudding already, so we're making banana pudding and we're making cornbread with ice cream. So is there either one of those that you like more than the other?
I gotta say I like the cornbread better.
Yeah, I'm excited to try both of them because our first attempt of making this banana pudding did not go very well. So
the burning of the pan.
Oops. We made it successfully the second time around, so I'm actually excited to try that out. But either way, we're going to get started with making the cornbread, and before we do that though, it is our Twisted Kitchen and it has been a while, so I'm going to take a couple shots real quick.
And the reason why he's taking a couple is because I'm partaking in Sober 20. We got Jay taking extra shots for me.
Yeah, this is gonna be an exciting time. What is, you said Sober 2020, is that what you called it?
Sober 2020, yep. Basically, it's just, being sober from alcohol for the entire year. I'm also sober from all drugs. I've been sober, gosh, now it's been like a little bit over a year.
Proud of you, man.
Hey, thanks,
Good
man.
job.
I appreciate that.
But I'm gonna take a couple shots real quick, and then we're going to start making this cornbread. I'm excited. I don't know what's on this. Is this your shot glass?
Yeah, so those are actually my sisters. You like the cool little designs?
Yeah, she bedazzled it.
Oh yeah. So here it is. Jay's taking a double shot for me.
We're getting wild.
Let's go. Dude, you ever see someone take a shot and you just get the heebies,
Oh,
you see him take it and you think of like the taste of the alcohol and you think of you taking the shot and you're just like,
Yep, I definitely didn't chase enough, that's for sure.
Let's get twisted.
Would not recommend. So what you see here is the beginning stages of the banana pudding. In the pan we have cornstarch, white sugar, original soy milk, and full-fat coconut milk. So the entire recipe for this will be in the description below if you want to check that out and learn how to make it. In the meantime, let's get excited about some corn muffin mix. So you just throw that in, and all the directions for this one are on the package. Also, you have the option of mashing up a banana with your hands or with a spoon or however your little heart desires to turn this banana into an egg replacement. I do think it's worth mentioning you need milk for this too. Come on, there you go.
Oh my god, it looks like Miracle Whip.
Great. So you basically just fill the muffin tins about 2/3 of the way up. I think we did about halfway, maybe a little bit more, a little less. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you. But they turned out really well, and they crowned pretty well on the top, except for the one. It was pretty sad, but it's okay. All right, Patrick Purpose. We just threw in the
Cornbread.
Thank you. I forget words sometimes. The cornbread consistency looked a little off, so we did add a little bit more soy milk.
Yep. So we decided on soy milk. Originally we were going to use almond milk, but I just thought in my head, I think soy milk's a little bit thicker, so it'd probably give it a better consistency.
Yeah, really the type of plant milk that you use makes a difference when it comes to the consistency of how everything turns out. So I appreciate your insight on that one. Now that that's in the oven, we're going to start making the banana pudding. The consistency of the pudding is actually pretty good right now. It was a little iffy there for a minute. I mean, what were your thoughts?
At first I was like, dude, is this going to turn out? And then we left it in there for another like 10-15 minutes, and now it's like, thick.
Right.
It's thick. It's like peanut butter thick.
There you go. No, it's really good. So I'm excited to just get that all spread out and figured out, and then we'll try it out on camera and let you know how it is. So ideally your pudding should have a consistency like this, and then you should be able to just pour it right on top. I would suggest probably getting some regular vanilla wafers if you could find the vegan kind. I guess Aldi has some, and I believe Trader Joe's might have some. But I think it'll help out a lot when it comes to the end where you have to cut it all up or scoop it out. These cookies made it very difficult, but they did add a lot of flavor. Actually, without the bananas, this tasted a lot like s'mores. So there's a perk. All right, so everything is done, but we're going to try the cornbread and ice cream first. So I'm hoping this is good. The cornbread was a little bit tough when I took it out of the oven, but I think it's gonna go well. So let me know what you think, Patrick Purpose. I hear you crunching over there.
I don't know why, but I like it where it's like crunchy on the outside and then like, you know, soft on the inside. That's
For sure.
what this is like.
Yeah, because we use banana for the egg replacer, so I definitely think that helps out a lot with the creaminess on the inside. All right, next, banana pudding. Mine looks like shit, but that's okay. His looks great. So, I don't know how I'm gonna eat this. It's all cookies, mostly. But,
I'm surprised.
what do you think?
It's good. The only thing is, make sure you don't make the same mistake we did. We made the mistake of cooking the ingredients without adding any liquid.
Yep.
And it burned the pan.
Yeah.
And then pan residue got into some of this one.
Yeah, don't do that. It's not very good. But this actually did turn out really well. The pudding actually by itself tasted better than I expected. So I'm really proud of this. Wow.
Obviously, you know the Biscoff always does it.
Yeah. So I didn't have time to find vegan vanilla wafers, so I just used these cookie butter cookies. And yeah, it's fan-fucking-tastic. So, they were both amazing. I can't believe that was so great. So, as a non-vegan, what did you think of this meal? Both of these meals?
I would eat that.
Good.
Obviously, that recipe was good. Minus, like I said, it's going to taste good because you're not going to make the same mistake we did because we just told you what to do. With not cooking those ingredients without adding the liquid.
Yeah.
That's kind of the recipe's fault because it didn't make it clear. But I thought that it was good. I really liked the cornbread and the vegan oat ice cream you said it was. It was an oat-based ice cream, so that was really good. We used banana instead of eggs to, you know, still get that same consistency of a cornbread muffin. But yeah, I would definitely recommend, especially if you're transitioning or if you're someone who is trying to make like a percentage of their diet vegan so that they can cut out, you know, the meat or whatever.
Yeah.
You know, go for it.
It's little by little, you know, it takes time. So I appreciate your insight, though, because I worry that these things taste good to me because I've been vegan, but I always wonder what non-vegans think about these meals.
Definitely.
So I'm glad you're satisfied. Thank you so much again for joining me this week.
Hey, thank you very much, man. I appreciate you guys having me on the show.
Of course, you're a good man. So thank you so much for joining both of us, for joining us this week. And we hope to see you next week. I will probably have a vlog coming out again because I just love doing those so much and you all love them. So I will see you next week. Thank you again to Patrick Purpose. He also provided the beat for this video. So check out his contact information in the description below to get a beat of your own. And then also if you want to start a vegan transition, I have plant-based on a budget in the description below as well. That is actually like 15 bucks, so it'll be really easy for you to start doing that. It's hard to transition and also keep in your budget. So there's that. There's also a bunch of other stuff that I use down in the description below, so check those out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more things like this in the future. I love you all so much. Thank you to everyone.
Thanks, guys. Have a great day.